Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Fine, good. Let us see philanthropist of Sangam age revision. Let us start, children. List the name of the 7 philanthropists and their regions. List the name of the 7 philanthropists and their regions. பேகன் பழனி ஹில்ஸ், பாரி பரம்புநாடு, நெடுமுடிக்காரி தொண்டை மண்டலம். பேகன் PEGAN பேகன், பழனி PALANI பழனி, பேகன் பழனி ஹில்ஸ். பாரி PARI பாரி, பரம்பு PARAMBU பரம்பு, பாரி பரம்புநாடு. நெடுமுடிக்காரி நெடுமுடி NEDUMUDI நெடுமுடி. காரி KARI காரி, நெடுமுடி காரி. தொண்டை மண்டலம் THONDAIMANDALAM தொண்டை மண்டலம். ஆய் பொதிகை ஹில்ஸ், அதியமான் தர்மபுரி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். நல்லி தொட்டிமலை வல்வில் ஓரி கொல்லி ஹில்ஸ். ஆய் பொதிகை ஹில்ஸ், அதியமான் தர்மபுரி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். நல்லி தொட்டிமலை வல்வில் ஓரி கொல்லி ஹில்ஸ். ஆய் பொதிகை ஹில்ஸ், அதியமான் தர்மபுரி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். நல்லி தொட்டிமலை வல்வில் ஓரி கொல்லி ஹில்ஸ். During which age did the 7 famous philanthropists rule the hilly regions? During which age did the 7 famous philanthropists rule the hilly regions? During 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 philanthropist PHILAN THROPISTS philanthropist. Hilly 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 REGIONS regions. The answer is Sangam age. Sangam age. SANGAM Sangam age. AGE age. Sangam age. Sangam age. Name any 3 philanthropists. Name any 3 philanthropists. Pari, Valvil Ori and Pagan. Pari PARI Pari, Valvil 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 Ori ORI Ori. Pagan PEGAN Pagan PEGAN Pagan. What did Adiyaman receive as present? What did Adiyaman receive as a present? What did Adiyaman receive as a present? The answer is gooseberry. Gooseberry. GOOSEBERRY gooseberry. GOOSEBERRY gooseberry. Gooseberry. Who was aware? Who was aware? Children, the answer is Tamil poetess. Tamil poetess. Tamil 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 poetess. POETESS poetess. Tamil poetess. Tamil poetess. List the things given by these philanthropists. List the things given by these philanthropists. Pari dash, Pagan dash, Adiyaman dash. Pari, chariot. Pari, P-A-R-I, Pari, chariot. C-H-A-R-I-O-T, chariot. Pari, chariot. Pagan, P-E-G-A-N, pagan, shawl. S-H-A-L-L, shawl. Adiyaman, A-D-H-I-Y-A-M-A-N, Adiyaman. Gooseberry, G-O-O-S-E-B-E-R-R-Y, gooseberry. Pari, chariot, pagan, shawl. Adiyaman, gooseberry. Chariot, C-H-A-R-I-O-T, chariot. Shawl, S-H-A-L-L, shawl. Gooseberry, G-O-O-S-E-B-E-R-R-Y, gooseberry. Pari, chariot, pagan, shawl. Adiyaman, gooseberry. What is the meaning of well and will? What is the meaning of well and will? What is the meaning of well and will? Well means powerful, will means bow. Well means powerful, will means bow. Well, B-A-L, well, powerful. P-O-W-E-R-F-U-L, powerful. Well means powerful. Will, V-I-L, will. Bow, B-O-W, bow. B-O-W, bow. Well means powerful. Will means bow. And shall we start glossary? Good. Sangam age means a period in the history of ancient Tamil Nadu. Sangam age, S-A-N-G-A-M, Sangam age, A-G-E, age, a period, P-E-R-I-O-D, period, I-N, in the, T-H-E, the, history, H-I-S-T-O-R-Y, history of ancient, A-N-C-I-E-N-T, ancient, Tamil Nadu, T-A-M-I-L, Tamil Nadu, N-A-D-U, Nadu, Tamil Nadu. Sangam age means a period in the history of ancient Tamil Nadu. Philanthropist. Philanthropist means a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others. Philanthropist, P-H-I-L-A-N T-H-R-O-P-I-S-T, philanthropist. A person, P-E-R-S-O-N, person who, W-H-O, who, seeks, S-E-E-K-S, seeks to, T-O-to, promote, P-R-O-M-O-T-E, promote. The, T-H-E, the, welfare, W-E-L-F-A-R-E, welfare of, O-F, of others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others. Steep hill, a very tall hill. Steep hill means a very tall hill. Steep, S-T-E-E-P, steep hill, H-I-L-L, hill. Very, V-E-R-Y, very, T-A-L-L, tall hill, H-I-L-L, hill. A very tall hill. Immortal, immortal, living forever. Immortal means living forever. Immortal, I-M-M-O-R-T-A-L, immortal, living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, forever, F-O-R-E-V-E-R, living forever. Bards, bards, a poet. Bards means a poet. Bards, B-A-R-D-S, bards, poet. P-O-E-T, poet. Bards means a poet. Artisan. Artisan means a worker in a skilled profession. Artisan, A-R-T-I-S-A-N, artisan. Worker, W-O-R-K-E-R, worker in a skilled, S-K-I-L-L-E-D, skilled profession, P-R-O-F-E-S-S-I-O-N, profession. Match the following. Children, shall we start? Match the following. I, Podigai Hills, Adiyaman, Dharmaburi district. Valvil Ori, Kolli Hills, Pari, Sivaganga district. Podigai, P-O-T-H-I-G-A-I, Podigai Hills, H-I-L-L-S, Hills. Dharmaburi, D-H-A-R-M-A-P-U-R-I, Dharmaburi. Kolli, K-O-L-L-I, Kolli Hills, H-I-L-L-S, Hills, Kolli Hills. Sivaganga, S-I-V-A-G-A-N-G-A, Sivaganga. I, Podigai Hills, Adiyaman, Dharmaburi district. Valvil Ori, Kolli Hills, Pari, Sivaganga. I, Podigai Hills, Adiyaman, Dharmaburi district. Valvil Ori, Kolli Hills, Pari, Sivaganga district. Next, true or false? True or false? Pari did not care for nature at all. Pari did not care for nature at all. It is true or false, children? It is false. Pari did not care for nature at all. It is false. Sangam age had 7 famous philanthropists. Sangam age had 7 famous philanthropists. Tell me, children. True. Sangam age had 7 famous philanthropists. True. We should value the people and animals. It is true or false, children? We should value the people and animals. That is true. We should value the people and animals. True. Nedumudikari ruled the region of Tottimalai. Nedumudikari ruled the region of Tottimalai. The answer is false. Nedumudikari ruled the region of Tottimalai. False. Children, there were many philanthropists in Sangam age. 7 of them were famous. Philanthropists were known for the kindness towards the people and nature. Pari, kind towards nature. Pagan, kind towards animals. Adiyaman, valued people. Valvil Ori, reward skilled people. Again, I'll read, children. Pari, kind towards nature. Pagan, kind towards animals. Adiyaman, valued people. Valvil Ori, reward skilled people. Are you understand, children? Pari, kind towards nature. Pagan, kind towards animals. Adiyaman, valued people. Valvil Ori, reward skilled people. Thank you, children.